Hello Stellar friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be jumping into learning a Christmas classic with a twist. We're going to be learning how to play Christmas is All Around, sung by the legendary Billy Mack in Love Actually. This song is cheeky, it's fun, and it is a great addition to your festive playlist. We'll be learning the chords, the strumming pattern, plus we'll do a full playthrough at the end of the lesson. So go grab your guitar, make sure it is in tune, and let's get started. So for the basics of the song, we're going to need to put a capo onto the 5th fret of our guitar. This just means we're in the same key as the original song. We're going to need 4 chords. They're really simple chords. The first one is a C major. Next up we have an F major. And for this version, I'm going to be playing an open chord version of an F chord. Next, we have a G major chord. And the final chord we need is a D minor. So just take some time now to practice changing through those chords. We have C, we have F. You can play the bar chord here if you would like to, it's up to you. We have a G major, and we have that D minor chord. So now that we have the chords under our fingers, let's go ahead and check out the verse of the song. So we have 4 chords here that are repeated in the same order over and over again. So we're going to start off with that C major. We then have our D minor chord. This changes to our F chord, and then to our G. And we repeat that again. C to the D minor, to the F, and then to the G, and so on and so on. So each of those chords that we see up on the screen are going to get 2 beats each. So that means 2 counts. So we can play it really nice and easy, and you can play 2 down strums on each chord, and it can sound like this. I feel it in my fingers. I feel it in my toes. This is a great way to just get into the swing of the song. Christmas is all around me, and so the feeling grows. Now, if we do want to add a strumming pattern, the one that I like to use here is going to sound like this. Down, down, up. That is it, per chord. Because remember, we only have 2 counts per chord. 1, 2, and, before we switch to the next chord. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So the C major is going to get down, down, up, and then we change the D minor to our F next, and to the G. And I always use that final up strum as an opportunity to change to the next chord. And what I mean by that is I play that up strum with open strings. So if I slow it down, you'll see exactly what I mean. So there's an up strum, open strings, D minor, open strings to get to the F, open strings to the G. I feel it in my toes. Christmas is all around me, and so the feeling goes. So my suggestion here is to just loop those chords over and over again and practice that strumming pattern. Because the chords only are held for 2 beats each, it can be quite difficult, especially if you're a beginner, because that means that those chord changes are happening really quickly. You can even strip it back all the way down to the most simplest form and just do 1 down strum on each chord. And it could sound like this. I feel it in my fingers. I feel it in my toes. actually sounds really lovely. Christmas is all around me, and so the feeling grows. That could work just as well. So really, whatever level you're at, you can do 1 down strum on each chord, you can do the 2 down strums, or you can do the strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, down, up. Da 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 ba dum. So whatever you are comfortable with, it will work. Next up, we're going to look at the chords and the strumming pattern used in the chorus, and everything is going to change here. So let's check out the chord sequence first. We have an F major first. From here, we have D minor. We're going to change back to the F, and then we have C major. That's the first line of the chorus. The second line of the chorus, we have F. We're going to have 2 rounds on the D minor, followed by our G major. We don't have any new chords, it's just the chord sequence that's going to be changing. And the strumming pattern is our favorite pattern. All beginners should know this pattern. It is down, down, up, up, down, up. 1, 2, and 4, and. And we're going to do 1 round of that strumming pattern on each of the chords. So the chorus is going to sound like this. Starting on the F, 2, 3, 4, down, down, up, up, down, up. D minor. F again. And to the C. F, D minor. D minor again. And the G. So if you are still watching and you are enjoying my tutorial here over on YouTube, then please could I ask you to just hit that like button and to subscribe to my channel. You can also turn that bell notification on so that YouTube can notify you when I release new lessons in the future. Really, your support makes a huge difference. It helps me grow my channel, and it helps me be able to show up every week and to create lessons just like this for you so that you can become a stellar guitarist. So go ahead, like this video, and let's get on with the lesson. So we've looked at the chords in the song, we've looked at the verse, we've looked at the chorus, and won't you believe it, that is basically how you play the whole song. So what we'll be doing next is a playthrough where we will put everything we've learned into action. So make sure your guitar is ready, you have your capo on that 5th fret, and I'll see you in the next section where we'll be doing a playthrough together. 1, 2, 3, 4. I feel it in my fingers, I feel it in my toes. Christmas is all around me, and so the feeling grows. Written in the wind, it's everywhere I go. So if you really love Christmas, come on and let it snow. You know I love Christmas, I always will. My mind's made up the way that I feel. There's no beginning, there'll be no end. 'Cause on Christmas you can depend. You gave your presents to me, and I gave mine to you. I need Santa beside me in everything I do. You know I love Christmas, I always will. My mind's made up the way that I feel. There's no beginning, there'll be no end. 'Cause on Christmas you can And that is it, everyone. This song always gets a laugh and a sing-along, so definitely add it to your Christmas repertoire. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to give it a like and to subscribe to my channel. You can also check out my step-by-step guitar courses by clicking the link below this video. I'd love to welcome you into the Stellar Guitarist community. Right, so that is it for today. I hope you have a wonderful festive season ahead, and I'll see you in another song tutorial very soon. Have a good day. See you. Bye.